Hello and welcome everyone. Bonjour et bienvenue tout le monde. Today we are going to see the second part of the sound of the letter O in French. So, as we have seen in the last video, the closed O sound and the open O sound for the letter O, today we are going to see three more variations which we need to look after when we speak any word in French. So, enjoy the video, have fun, happy learning. Merci. Thank you. Now, let's see a few combinations of the letter O with other vowels. To start off, if we join OI or OIE, it gives the sound of UA. UA. So there's a little O sound. So UA. OI or OIE gives the similar sound. UA. For example, bois. Bois means wood. Foi. Foi means faith. Loi. Loi means a law. Moi. Moi, which means me when I use it for I. Moi, another one, it's the similar sound but the spelling is different. It means month. Noir. Noir means black. Noix. Noix means nut. Oiseau. Oiseau. Bird. Roi. Roi means king. Soi. Soi means oneself. Soif. Soif means thirst. Soir. Soir means evening. Toi. Toi means you. Another one. Toi. Toi. This means roof. Voir. Voir. To see. Voix. Voix. Voice. Let's see a few more with OIE. It's exactly the same sound. Joie. Joie. Joy. Soie. Soie. Silk. Voix. Voix, which means a track or the way. Moving on to another combination with the vowel U. So if you join OU, or at times you even have OU with U as with a circumflex, and OUE, all of them will give a sound like OO. OO. So to start off, shoe. Shoe, which means cabbage. Cou. Cou, which means neck. Cour. Cour, courtyard. Fou. Fou, we call it for a madman or simply mad. Jour. Jour, for day. Loup. Loup, which means wolf. Nous. Nous, which means we. Ou. Ou, which means or. Our. Our, which means bear. Pour. Pour, which means for. Sous. Sous, which means under. Tour. Tour, which means a tower. Vous. Vous, which means you. Even when you say cou, even if you see an accent over you, it's the exact same sound. Ou, which means cost or charge. Coût. Another one, goo. Goo, which means taste. Moving on to the last one, when you have OU with any other vowel for that matter. For example, douane, douane, which means customs or duty. Jouer, jouer, which means to play. Another same word, jouer, but the spelling is different. This means toy. Jouer. Louer, louer, which means to rent. Oui, when we just say oui, yeah, when you agree to something, oui. Or you can simply say yes, which is oui, oui. So if you see, there is a little w sound in all of these. Like for a penguin, we say pingouin, pingouin. For a wish, we say souhait, souhait. For a tattoo, we say tatouage, tatouage. So, if we resume it here, we have seen different sounds of the letter O in French, and the difference is the first one is a closed O sound like O. For example, gold, cold, just like in those words in English. Another one was the open O sound like what, o. And then we moved on to the sounds with O as a combination for other vowels. For example, OI or OIE was ua. Then we saw OU, OU with a circumflex, or OUE for that matter, it gives a oo sound. So it's a stressed oo sound, stretched sound, okay? And the last one, OU with a vowel, any other vowel for that matter, not just I or U, but something like A would give us a sound like ua, wa, okay? So ua. Hope you learned a lot more new things here. Keep learning with us. Happy learning. Thank you. Merci.